Hello, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, August 11th. I'm Managing Director Mike DeHelig. On Monday, we received amazing news that the County of Kauai was selected to receive $24.8 million from the U.S. Department of Transportation through its highly competitive RAISE grant program to fund the Poipu Road Safety and Mobility Project. A huge mahalo to Senator Schatz and our congressional delegation for their steadfast support. Also, U.S. Secretary of Transportation Pete Buttigieg, our county team, and everybody who contributed to this project proposal. This project will propel our efforts to carry out goals of Kauai's destination management plan by providing enhanced transit, walking, and bicycling infrastructure while subsequently supporting our county's sustainability efforts. It will create transportation alternatives for visitors, thereby reducing tourism impacts on local residents. The diversity of Kauai's people is truly reflected in this project, and we look forward to seeing our shared vision come to life in the coming years. This past week was also filled with many celebrations. On Saturday, Coach Aaron Ganot and the University of Hawaii men's basketball team held a youth clinic at Kauai High School. Mahalo to Coach Ganot and the team, along with many sponsors, community members, and participants for a great day with our keiki. We look forward to seeing our Rainbow Warriors play a regular season game here on Kauai in 2023. Make-A-Wish Hawaii also celebrated its 40th anniversary this weekend at Kukui Grove Center, and we were honored to be there to congratulate them on this milestone. The foundation has helped change so many lives with critical illnesses across the state and nation. Their work is incredible, and we are grateful for their presence in our community. Congratulations to our new Miss Kauai Filipina, Kiele Casillas, who was crowned on Tuesday here at our county rotunda. Kiele, you exemplified the title so well, and we are very excited to see you further perpetuate the Filipino culture here on Kauai and wherever life takes you in the years ahead. Now for an update on COVID-19. We are sad to announce another fatality from COVID, a female resident in her 80s who was hospitalized. Our condolences are with her family. Case counts increased slightly on Kauai this week, with cases down statewide. Kauai's 7-day average is at 23 cases a day, slightly up from 21 cases last week. Statewide, the average is 452 cases a day, down from 528 the week before. As a reminder, the actual numbers are higher because this data does not include home tests. Although cases remain steady and there are no significant clusters of concern, we can all take the necessary precautions to protect ourselves and slow the spread of COVID. Wear a well-fitting mask indoors, get up to date on your vaccinations and boosters, and stay home if you are sick. If you test positive, contact your healthcare provider for COVID treatments. Isolation is generally recommended for 5 days. However, it is advisable to wear a mask whenever you are around other people for an additional 5 days. COVID can be given to others up to 10 days after you get sick. For more, we turn to Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Behrman.
Thanks, Mike. The Novavax COVID-19 vaccine has been authorized for emergency use and is recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention as another option for COVID-19 vaccination. It is now available on Kauai. Novavax is a 2-dose vaccine available to individuals 18 and older who have not previously received a COVID-19 vaccine of any kind. The second dose is given 3 to 8 weeks after the first dose. Novavax is a protein-based vaccine similar to vaccines used for hepatitis B, whooping cough, shingles, and other diseases. These vaccines have been safely used in the United States for more than 3 decades. Kaiser Permanente in Lihue is offering Novavax to members and non-members starting August 15th by appointment only. Appointments can be made by calling 808-432-2000. The Department of Health advises everyone aged 6 months and older to get vaccinated and, when eligible, boosted. The Novavax vaccine is not approved as a booster dose. For a list of vaccination locations, visit www.kauai.gov/vaccine. With monkeypox on the rise in the U.S. and declared a national health emergency, the Jynneos vaccine for prevention of monkeypox is available in limited supply for those 18 years of age and older who are at increased risk. Individuals are eligible for the vaccine if they fall into either of these 2 categories. Number 1, those with known exposure to someone with monkeypox in the last 14 days. And number 2, All gay, bisexual, and other men who have sex with men, including transgender individuals, who have had any high-risk intimate contact in the last 14 days. Individuals on Kauai who are interested in being vaccinated should call the Department of Health Monkeypox hotline at 808-586-4462 for an appointment. The phone line is available Monday to Friday from 7:45 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can leave a voicemail if you call outside of regular business hours. Appointment scheduling is not currently available through individual providers. Monkeypox is not yet widespread on Kauai. Now is the best time for those who are at increased risk to protect themselves by getting vaccinated. If you are a sexually active man who has sex with men, please call today to see if you are eligible for a vaccine. 808-586-4462.
Mahalo, Dr. B. That's all we have for this week's briefing. Until next week. Mahalo, Kauai.